Well, let me jump back in on that because, you know, it sounds as if that I'm thinking that we ought to go after corporations. I'm the only person that says we ought to have no corporate tax, no personal income tax. We ought to get rid of taxes on dividends, capital gains, and death. I really think our whole tax system is based...
You're going to get rid of death?
I would like to get rid of death, but I'm talking about the death tax.
Okay.
I'll work on death next.
We're together on that.
First death tax, then we'll get rid of death. In my previous profession, I dealt with getting rid of death, and now just the death tax.
Didn't work very well. Sorry.
What I want to make sure is that people understand that if we have a tax system that penalizes productivity, it's counterintuitive to a good economic system. And with all due respect, I think we've got to recognize that we have people who are in trouble today because sometimes folks who get into the capacity to buy up a company, they dissolve it, they split it up, people lose their jobs. And when that happens, then they lose jobs, jobs go elsewhere. And then people who have taken those things can take their money, shelter it at maybe 15% income, not the 35% that the self-employed people in this country pay, or they can hide it away in a Cayman Island offshore bank account and pay no tax on it. The average American is going to resent the fact that there is not a level of equity in the tax system. And again, I don't want to tax rich people and make them poor. I want to give them every opportunity to be even richer.